Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by placing the today formula where you need a live date. Click the cell and type equals today, then press enter. Excel immediately returns today's date. Once done, make sure the cell formatting matches your preference. Choose short date or long date from the number group. You do this because formatting controls display without changing the underlying serial date. Also, if you plan calculations, keep the cell as a date type, so Excel recognizes it in formulas and comparisons. Next, integrate today into working formulas to compute dynamic results. For example, use equals today, A1 to get days since a date in A1, or wrap today inside edate to find a future date. Once you build the base, copy the formula across rows, use dollar anchors when you need a fixed reference. Make sure to combine with network days for business days or year and month to extract parts of the live date. This gives you automated updates whenever the workbook recalculates. To finish, confirm that today updates as expected and integrated into your final layout. If the date seems stale, press F9 to force recalculation. Also check File Options formulas and set calculation options to automatic so today. Updates on open and change. Once done, lock or hide cells if you don't want users to alter the formula. If things go wrong, remember, today is volatile. That's why ensuring automatic calculation fixes most refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.